The topic of going back to school during the pandemic is definitely one that causes stress for parents and kids. I think one main way to start is to keep an open and honest communication with your children. It's important to sit down and really try and assess what your child really understands and address any misconceptions they might be having about the virus and what it means to go back to school or stay at home from school. When talking to your children about the virus, it is important to be honest and open, but keeping it in child-friendly language and concrete language that they can understand. Some ways you can maybe get them to talk more about how they're feeling is asking them what they are most excited about school or what their favorite things about school were before the virus. And so that way you can address what might be different. If recess looks different, or if their classroom looks different, or if the same friends are going to be in their classes or different friends, letting them have an idea of what it will look like and how it might be different will help them come better prepared to cope with the changes. And also asking them what they might be worried about with going back to school can help you address what any fears they might be having as well. During the situation of the pandemic, everyone is starting to feel a loss of control, and with kids, a loss of control can cause a lot of anxiety. And so giving them ways they can be in control in this can help with their sense of mastery. So giving them control, maybe a job at home, whether it's wiping down doorknobs or wiping down surfaces or making masks for their friends or neighbors. Also being reassuring for kids and letting them know that teachers and parents and the community are trying to come together to figure out a way to help kids go back to school in a safest way, but also while continuing to educate them to help them learn and see their friends in a safe way. Kids are going to react to these new emotions and fears they're having in different ways. And so whenever you do notice maybe they're acting out more or are scared more or having nightmares more, that it is time to sit down and have that communication with them about trying to figure out what exactly their worries are, what their understanding is of the virus, and why they might be upset or why they might be acting out. If you feel like your child is having trouble coping with the pandemic, it's never too soon to ask for help from the community or from the school resources. These are the ways that we take care of our kids during these times.